guys, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today this is a video to find square root of any number. In my last video already we have studied about to find square of any number. This is the reverse process to find square root. In my last video we find square and this is the video to find square root. There are two methods to find square root. One is prime factorization and another one is long division method. In this video now we'll discuss about prime factorization method. In my next video we'll discuss about long division method. And one request to all of you, please don't skip this video. Please watch the video from first to last so that any doubt you will comment on your comment box. I will give the solution. Okay, thank you. So next let's start the video of prime factorization method. Here we have to know first what is a prime number. What is a prime number? Here first topic, what is a prime number? Prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself. Prime number is a number which can divisible by 1 and the number itself. It means prime number only has two factors. Only two factors. Prime number means two factors, no more than two factors. If more than two factors, then yes, it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. So prime number, example 5. 5 can divisible by 1 and 5. 1 and the number itself, this is 5. 7, it can divisible by 1 and 7. So both 5 and 7 are prime numbers. But in the case of number 8, it can divisible by 1, 2, 4 and 8. Itself the number 8 can divisible by 1 and itself 8. Except 1 and 8 there are more two numbers. This is 2 and 4 which can divide the number 8. So 8 is not a prime numbers, it is a composite numbers. So prime number means it has only two factors and composite number has more than two factors. This is composite number 8, 9, 15. They are composite number. Here 3, 5, 7. These are prime numbers. So prime factorization means we need to split. We need to factorize a number with prime numbers. And yes, another important thing, to find square root there are two methods. One is prime factorization and another one is long division method. Prime factorization is only for small numbers. This method is only for small numbers because if you take a large number, a great number, then you need to a long time to factorize it with prime numbers. So it is only applicable for small numbers. Okay, so this is for our standard 6, 7, 8 and future you are going, when you will go to your next higher standard, you need to solve this square root problem with the help of long division method, not with prime factorization method. Okay, so let's start. So here first take an example from prime factorization. If this is a question to given to us 20, you need to split 20 with its factor. You can write 4 into 5, you can write 2 into 10, you can write 1 into 20. Here look here, 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is equal to 20, where 4 is not a prime number but 5 is a prime number. This one is a prime number. Here 2 is a prime number and here 1 is not a prime number. 1 is a special number. Okay, but in this first case 4 is not a prime number, 10 is not a prime number, 20 is not a prime number. So these are not prime factorization. You can split again these two. This 4 is a composite number. You can again factorize this 2. You can write here 2 into 2 into 5. Here 2 into 2 into 5. Here 1 into 2 into 2 into 5. This is 20. This is 10 and this is 4. Now this 4 composite number factorize as 2 prime number 2 into t, 2 into 2. This 10 is factorized as 2 prime number 2 into 5 and 20 as 2 into 2 into 5. So these are the prime factorization. If you factorize 20 with the help of prime numbers, then this is the prime factorization 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. Similarly, again another example, you can take 12. You can write here 3 into 4. But 4 is not a composite number. Sorry, 4 is not a prime number. 4 is a composite number. So again you can write here 3 into 2 into 2. Now check here. All the 3 numbers which represents their product result as 12. All these 3 numbers are prime numbers. You can write here 2 into 6. But here 2 is a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. So 2 into 2 into 3. This 6 can represent as the product result of 2 prime number. One is 2 and another is 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. So this is the prime factorization method. This is all about prime factorization method. And next come to our topic. We have to find square root by the help of prime factorization method. Find square root by the help of prime factorization method. So if you need to find out square root, you need to make a group of all the prime numbers carrying each equal numbers. Example, if you split 144. If you factorize 144, first take it. This number in prime factorization method, another thing, in prime factorization method, you have to remind all the division property or the divisible property of all the numbers. Divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 5, all the divisible property. Okay, here 144, the unit number is 4. So this number is divisible by the smallest even prime number, this is 2. Here is 72. Again 2 can divisible by 72 is divisible again 2 because unit contains a even number. So here 36, again 2, this is 18, this is 9. Now 9 cannot be divisible by 2 because 9 is not a even number. So here 3, 3. So you can write 144 is equal to this one. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, sorry, 3 into this one, the last 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 144 can be represented as the product of the prime numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to find out the square root of 144. We have to find out the square root. Question to find square root. So here, make a group, make a pair of same number. Means here this is 2 with 2. Here 2 with 2. Here 3 with 3. You cannot make a group 3 with 2. Okay. So here 2 into 2. Make a group again. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here we have to find 144, square root of 144. So now carry out a single number from this group. Here there are 2 2's. So take 1 2's. From here 2. And from this group 1 is 3. Remove the square root symbol. Okay. At the time of grouping there is a square root symbol. But when you carry out one of them each group, one of the number of each group, you remove the square root symbol. Now this is the number 2 into 2 into 3. This is 12. So square root of 144 is equal to 12. Another question is in mind. If you cannot make a proper pair with same numbers, if there is a factorization 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. Here you cannot make a pair, you cannot make a group. Here 2 with 2 you can make a group. Here 3 with 3 you can make a group. But here 2, you need to another 2. You require another 2 make a pair with these 2. But there is no 2. This is 72. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. This is 72. If you have to find out the square root of 72, you cannot make proper group of these factors. So 72 is not a perfect square number. Here we find out in the case of 144, when you factorize it, you make a proper group of its prime factors, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and then carry out one of each group, one number from each of the group. So here in the case of 72, you cannot make such a group. 1, 2 is remaining to make a group. To make a group, there is 1, 2 remaining. So 72 is not a perfect square. If a number is a perfect square, then yes, it must have a perfect number of groups. Perfect group, even number of factors. Another clue is even number of factors. A perfect square contains even number of prime factors, wherever a non-perfect square number contains odd number of prime factors. Okay. In my next video, we will discuss about the long division method to find out square roots. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.